In this question, you have to identify what facilitates the opening of stomatal aperture. Option A, decrease in turgidity of guard cells. Now, a decrease in turgidity of guard cells causes the guard cells to collapse, leading to the closure of the stomata and not its opening. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, radial orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the cell wall of guard cells. Now, the radial orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the guard cell walls allow the cells to expand in a way that the stomatal aperture opens. And this radial orientation of cellulose microfibrils is indeed very important because this arrangement ensures that when the guard cells become turgid, they elongate rather than expanding uniformly in all directions. And this elongation causes the stomatal pore to open. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, longitudinal orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the cell wall of guard cells. It is incorrect because if the cellulose microfibrils were oriented longitudinally, the expansion of the guard cells would not result in the opening of the stomatal pore because this arrangement would restrict the outward expansion. Option D, contraction of outer wall of guard cells. It is also incorrect because the outer wall of the guard cells does not contract. Instead, it stretches and bulges outward when the guard cells become turgid, thus helping in the stomatal opening.